Rachel. It's Leah, all the way from Cincinnati, Ohio, and this is my daughter, the amazing Amy.
Hi, welcome to Amazing Amy Cooking.
My daughter was diagnosed with a speech impediment at an early age. I wanted to do something at home that could help build her confidence, to help improve her speech, and so I came up with the idea of creating her very own cooking show.
This is a simple recipe. It's gonna be delicious.
She already loves to cook, so it was just the perfect fit. The response and the love and support she's received thus far has just been overwhelming.
Cake waffles.
She has recently just launched her very own line of apple pies called Amy Baby Apple Pies.
You pour the apples in the pie crust.
Her speech and her confidence has just tremendously improved.
Put it in the oven for 1 hour.
And so I'm just so grateful for that.
Joining us via FaceTime is Mom Leah and amazing Amy. Hi, ladies.
Hi, guys.
Hi. Amy, you are truly amazing. Can I come and be on your show one day?
Yes.
I love that you use cooking to find your superpowers in the kitchen, because that's the way I grew up too. It made me feel, I don't know, it made me feel better about myself to be able to make things and share them with people. What do you like about cooking?
Starburst slime, cooking mac and cheese, and my favorite apple pie, and it's
Amazing. Amy, tell me, what has been the response from some of the other families that have seen your show?
The response has just been so overwhelming. So many families have reached out to me, not just locally here in Cincinnati, but all over the world, telling me, you know, hey, thank you so much. My kid now has a kid to listen to that sounds like them, or just giving me encouraging words just as a parent in itself. So the response has just been wonderful.
So, Amy, until I can get there in person, I'm going to send a giant truck with all kinds of cool stuff on it so you can cook up a storm.
Whoa.
Woo! Yay! And Amy, you have to check out Curtis's show because he's on Top Chef Junior. It's an awesome show with kids just like you. It's on Saturdays at 6 p.m. You can watch it with Mom. It's on Universal Kids.
Yes.
Right? I bet you she'll be on your show
One day we hope to have you on as a contestant, Amy. We'd love to see you.
Congratulations, little one. You truly are amazing. Bye, Amy. Bye, Mom. Bye, Leah.